President Obama's health care law may be resurrecting a government-endorsed financial penalty for couples who get married. Chief Washington correspondent Jim Angle has the specifics.
There's a new wrinkle in the implementation of the health care law that critics argue will impose a significant penalty on women and marriage. The law includes generous subsidies for the uninsured so they can afford to buy coverage in the new exchanges, but several analysts told Congress today the nature of the subsidies has an odd effect.
The way this bill is structured, there are disincentives for women to marry and disincentives for women to work. And for a bill that's supposed to make Americans healthier, these disincentives are truly startling.
Critics say that beginning in 2014, Americans will find it more advantageous to say single than married because it'll be easier to afford health coverage. Why? Because the new law provides generous subsidies for those without insurance so they can buy it on the new exchanges, but the subsidies are tied to one's income level. Incomes not based on an individual, but a family. And that creates a perverse incentive.
Two singles would be able to earn $43,000 and have help from the federal government with their premiums. But if they got married and combined their earnings to $86,000, they would be far above the limit.
So they would lose the government subsidies and be on their own for thousands of dollars in health coverage. Democrats were quick to say the new health care law has other advantages, that it extends care to millions who don't have it and covers preventive care with no copay.
While each individual will face unique circumstances and challenges under ACA, generally there are significant benefits that result in good health for the American public.
When the law is fully implemented, U.S. families will have new, affordable, and comprehensive insurance options, both in good economic times and in bad.
But the critics say that doesn't change the fact that getting married will make it harder for many to afford health insurance.
Millions of families will be stuck in a no man's land without affordable coverage through either their employers or the exchanges.
It took years to get the marriage penalty out of the tax code, but economists said this morning it will come storming back in the new health care law. One other note, Brett, this should not be seen as an excuse for people with commitment issues to avoid getting married, but it might affect their health insurance decisions. Brett?
Okay, Jim, thank you.